Hey guys, what is going on? It is RC Knockout and I am back with another video. Now, if you're new to the channel, my name is Nolan. In today's video, I have got my cheap little drift car that I believe this is a Banggood Special. I can't remember what the actual model name is off the top of my head, but I'm gonna go ahead and put a link for this down in the description below where you can buy this. Also, if you do buy it through the link that I provide down below, it really does help out my channel. But really, I think it's only, don't quote me on the price, but I believe it's only like $70. It's somewhere between like 65 and 80 bucks. I think it's like $70. So it's pretty cheap. So the question is, how much fun can you have for 70 bucks? It's a little drift car, by the way. As you guys can see, it's meant to look a lot like the Unicorn, which is a real life drift car that Ken Block drives. So that's what it's basically based after. You can tell with the graphics and everything. It just doesn't have all the same names and stuff on it, but the design and everything is very similar. But I believe this is only like it's either a 1/16 or a 1/18 scale, I believe. I think it's a 1/18 scale. It just has one little battery right here. It's actually a lithium ion pack. So lithium ion pack, it's only 800 milliamp, but the last time I ran this thing, it actually lasted quite a while, so I was very impressed. As you guys can see, it's a very small and compact little car, just fits in my hand like such. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get this 800 milliamp lithium ion pack put in, and I'm going to get the body on, and then we're going to get started ripping and drifting this thing around. So let's go ahead and jump right in this video. Alrighty guys, I got her all turned on and ready to go. So we just have a little bit of pavement to work with right here, but hopefully it should be smooth enough to drift this around on. So the tires are like made out of, I don't know if they're made out of a super hard rubber or exactly, or maybe it's some type of plastic. I think it's rubber, but it's super hard because obviously you want them to last long because this car is made for drifting. Now, I know the car isn't very fast. I was actually underwhelmed by the performance of it last time, but it's not for going fast. It's for drifting. It just comes with a little 2.4 gigahertz transmitter like this. You have steering reverse, you have normal and slow mode, which regular mode is kind of slow, to be honest, and this right here I believe is your steering trim. So it has all the stuff you need, but here we go. But you got to kind of keep it balls to the wall, pinned the whole time. But then it does drift around, and it is fun. Like, it's not fast. Like, I'll pin it. That's top speed right there. And I want to say that's probably 10, maybe? But like, there's still something cool about it though. Ooh. Balls to the wall. I literally have it pinned this entire time, guys. I'm trying to find the smoothest grass or the smoothest pavement I can find. I almost hit myself. Launch. Bring her back this way. Pin. You guys can see that the front splitter, like the front of the body, sticks down so low that every single time I hit a bump, it's catching on the pavement, but you need pretty smooth ground to run this thing. Like, this is fairly smooth, but any rougher terrain than this, and you're not probably going to get through it very well. I'm still getting through it, but I just have to watch for the big cracks. So the question is, how much fun can you have for 70 bucks? I think this is fun, but it has to be in the right environment. This might not be the best environment for it. I think, like, you know, I'm from the Midwest, so I think come winter time, if you can find a nice place like a garage with a super smooth floor to run this thing, that could be a heck of a lot of fun in the winter when you're stuck inside. Because this would be like the perfect size car for like a 2-car garage, or even maybe a single car garage. Like, it would be super fun. And especially if you could set up cones and have some type of course, or have friends over and race them, do like a drifting race or whatever. That would be a lot of fun, I think. Pinned. Pinned. Get a flyby. But like I said, it's for drifting, so into a drift. It's just a little brush motor. I believe it's a brush motor. I was surprised last time, the first time I ran this, when I unboxed it, I was surprised how long this battery lasted. It lasted for a very long time, much longer than I thought an 800 milliamp would last, considering I had it pinned the entire time. I think this would be a very fun beginner RC car. Really would be. Like, it's not fun, but you can use it in a very, very small area. Like, look, I can just keep on, I can really spin it around in like a very small area. That's why, like, inside you could probably use this thing. I mean, I don't know if I'd use it on indoor, like linoleum or hardwood, because I don't know what these tires would do on the floor. It might be alright, but I mean like more like a garage floor or like a warehouse or something. Also guys, if you're liking this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Also subscribe if you're not subscribed, and make sure to hit that notification bell so then you'll be notified when I come out with new videos, which I do on a very regular basis. Also, let me know if this is the type of videos you want to see, or what type of videos you want to see. Sometimes I bring cheap RC cars with me, sometimes I bring my more expensive ones, but sometimes I have just as much fun with the cheap ones. Now this probably, like I said, is not the best environment for this machine. A little bit smoother surface and a little bit smaller area, and if I don't have any cones with me. I wish I had some cones to set up, do a little bit of a drift course for you guys, but fortunately I didn't think to bring that. But imagine if this thing had a brush motor, or a brushless motor. This thing would be insane. I have no idea how well the gears or anything would hold up to brushless power though. I guess the thing is meant to spin though, so since the tires are meant to spin, maybe you wouldn't break that much stuff. It'd just spin the tires up faster, you know what I mean? Because you're never really gonna hook up with this machine. Like you can hook up pretty well going straight. So here's pinned. Ready? Get set, go. But as soon as you turn, it just goes right into a slide. Like it's pretty cool. I really do think it's pretty cool. Like I said, guys, I'll leave a link in the description down below where you can buy this. I think it's a lot of fun for only like, I want to say it's 65 or 75 bucks. So if you want to get into drifting, especially, this might be a car that you might be interested in learning with, because it definitely is a very fun beginner car. Whoa! See, we're stuck, and we're in, so this thing's not meant for going through anything. Like, here's some grass. I forgot this thing was 4-wheel drive. For some reason I was thinking this thing was only 2-wheel drive. It is actually 4-wheel drive. Huh. And I believe it's not an open diff either. I believe both of them are like connected. Yeah, because no matter what you do, it still spins all four. Huh, cool. I don't know why I was thinking it was only rear-wheel drive. Just a nice, cheap little RC car to have fun with. Launch. We're probably only going 3 or 4, but still. There. I guess I've never tried the slow mode on this. Let's see what slow looks like. Oh gosh. You can't even drift on slow mode. That's kind of a joke. I'm on slow mode now, guys. That's pinned. And she does not have enough wheel speed to even kick the rear end out. So I don't know what you would possibly be able to use slow speed for. That doesn't really seem like it would have any purpose to me, but... Full throttle. You see, she's getting caught on every single bump, but ah, crap. Went in the grass again. I believe this is a Bang Good. It's either a Bang Good or it's a WL Toys, I think is the brand. I think it's a Bang Good though. Or maybe they're the same thing, I'm not sure. It's a nice entry-level little drift car. I've gotten worse stuff for 70 bucks. Like, we're still going, guys, and we're 15 minutes in, basically going pin this entire time. That's the thing that amazes me the most, is how long this battery can last running this thing pinned. That's pretty crazy. I think this is going to be the end of the video, guys. I don't know how much more the battery has in it, but I got to keep on moving because I'm traveling for work. But if you did enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Later.